Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. If you are a graduate student or if you are an engineering graduate and you are in the final year and you are looking for one internship good opportunity, then here we are having one option for you. That is from the Ministry of External Affairs. So they launches their Ministry of External Affairs internship portal only. Okay, and here you can see they are going to launch the second edition of the MEA internship program for the year 23-24. This is the second edition. They are having two edition. I will show you which one. Okay, now the candidates who will be selected, they will get the 10,000 rupees per month as an stipend also. Even cost of the one time to and fro air travel subject to a ceiling of the prevailing economy class airfare between the state capital and the Delhi also, from the domicile state or from the college or university you are having. Okay, selected candidates will be provided. So the next thing is here eligibility. So internship at MEA headquarters shall generally be open to Indian citizens with a minimum education qualification of a graduate degree from a recognized university. So if you are having BE Tech, you can apply here. If you are in the final year, then also you can apply. So internship shall also be open to the students who are presently in the final year of their graduation, where an internship is a mandatory part of their final year curriculum. The age limit is mentioned clearly. It should not be more than 25 year. Okay. Now, the next thing here, intake and duration. This is an important thing. So every year they are having two slots in the internship. Okay, internship will be offered in two terms of the 6 month. That is April to September and October to March. Maximum of 30 interns will be engaged. Okay, by the ministry during each term. Each intern will be engaged for a minimum period of 1 month and a maximum period of 3 months. So this will be the second one. It is clearly mentioned here. Click here to download the timeline for a MEA internship program term 2. So this is the term 2 only. I will show you what is the last date also. So selection process, when you will click here, you can see the selection process is mentioned here. Okay, you need to apply through this website internship.mea.gov.in with application, scrutiny, selection, allocation of division, everything is mentioned there only. Okay, each candidate need to register on the internship portal and obtain access credential to participate in the process. So when you will go to the home page, they will show you how to apply. Okay, when you will click there, you need to apply, you need to register also. And it is a different process, state wise process. Okay, here this is different separately for the male and female candidates also. Okay, by elimination based on the academic performance. What is the criteria? Academic performance in +2 and graduation exams. So priority will be given to the applications from the TADP districts during the preliminary screening test. Okay, and after that the candidate selected in the merit list will be called for the personal interview. So this is the two step. First they will select you and then they will call you for the personal interview also. Maximum 30 students will be there, and you can just check it out the more details also here. Oh, so I think this is the basic thing. Okay, now this year who can apply? So this is state wise also. In term 1, April to September, these state candidates can apply here. In term 2, these states candidates with these union territory candidates can apply. Okay, now what is the last date? I will show you here when I will click here. Okay, this will open this as I will show you. This is the timeline. So it's notification and call for the application for term 2. It's started from the means it was published on the July 29. Deadline for the receiving application will be August 15, 2024. Announcement of shortlisted candidate and call for the interview will be on the 22nd August, dear students. Okay, so for more details you can directly go to this website which I show you. Okay, here I am showing you again the website. This is the website. Okay, www.internship.mea.gov.in. You can go to this website and you can check each and every detail and you can apply accordingly, my dear students. Thank you. Stay connected to I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel. If still you not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So all the upcoming YouTube lectures or YouTube videos you will get on the time basis. Thank you.